Hello and welcome. These are Audi key fobs. Generally you get two with a car, and this one appears to have stopped working. This one you can see is working. So it looks like the battery's gone in it. Let's change the battery in this one. Now, just so I get it right, again, press, nothing happening. So what we do then is we'll just have a look at it. Now there are certain key fobs that don't open, but this one has a little panel. So we're going to open that. So first thing you do then is you let the key itself out, and then you'll see inside here it has some information in there. Just give you a close-up, and then if you look further in here you'll see a little tab just down there. So what you want to do then is you want to get a small screwdriver in and push the tab away from the key this direction and down, and then you can see that the little cap here is opening. Get your little screwdriver in there, work it around, and then peel it back. Oh look, no battery, but then here it is. It's actually held in place with three little tabs, 1, 2, 3. So what we do then is we'll remove that, just push it to the other part of the fob and lift. There we go, take that out. Now you're wondering what battery it is, and it actually says it on it. It's a CR2032. You can pick them up quite cheaply. I've got a card of them here, and it says €1.50 for 3 of them. Now it so happens there's 4 2 or 3 2s and then other miscellaneous ones. So we'll just take one of those, take it out. Now remembering what way you had the other one came out, you push this one in and press it down like so, just making sure the little tabs here are on top and holding the key or the battery into place. Now putting it back on, and the one piece of it there's a little catch, so that catch fits in first into the back of the key. Push it in like that and then press down, and then we'll just check. Yeah, it's working again. Now when you go to the car, you may need to press each of the buttons several times before the car will respond, but it will respond. Now I hope you found that useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, drop a comment, and you'll find us on the usual social media platforms.